online marketing and sales for beginners. Are you completely new to this subject? Do you want to understand the core concepts that will enable you to succeed in online marketing and online sales? Do you want to learn the basics in as short a time as possible? Then this course is for you. This is not a button-pushing course on how to use Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. This course is designed to help you really understand how online marketing and online sales work and how to understand the buyer and the psychology of the buyer journey. This course is designed for complete beginners. So if you have advanced knowledge of social media marketing or online marketing, this course will not be for you. So let's jump in and help you start to master online marketing and sales.